realistic and effective. Our special effects team did a fantastic job. Thank you so much, guys. You guys can stop right now. This is way too much rain. Please stop. My goodness. Excuse me, guys. Stop the rain. Okay, how come they're stopping it? Do you guys hear a low rumbling noise coming from the top of the hill? Something's wrong. I think we overdid it. We overdid it. That's our flash flood since 1968. It still looks amazing. Let's see what this flash flood looks like on screen. This is from the movie Midnight Liar. It is such a fun scene. It is a fun movie.